Hi, sociologists. Hope you're doing well, and I hope you're acclimating to the new semester. I know last week was really crazy with getting people in and out of classes and probably getting your guys' schedules all, finalized and worked out. And I hope you've landed into a good schedule for your classes and your life and all of that. Um, Today, I just wanted to check in with you because I'm going to be doing that every week, just kind of about what's going on. You guys had a meet and greet due last Wednesday, and then nothing until we start up again tonight. The beginning has to start quickly because we have to add and drop by a kind of an early period. That's kind of the way that the online system works. So starting tonight, you're going to have access to the next module, but I'm showing you it right now so you can see what's coming. Pretty much what we're going to do is you're going to be reading chapter 1, so I'm going to flip you back up to the top where you have the textbook, right? There's the textbook for you. And you're going to read the first chapter. And the first chapter is going to just go over kind of the history and background of sociology, the 3 theoretical perspectives that we're going to be working on in the class. We're going to do symbolic interactionist theory, functionalist theory, and conflict theory. And so those are 3 classic sociology theories that are used to analyze the world. So sociologically, that is. So that's where we're going to start, and then we're going to use these theories throughout the semester to understand different types of phenomena. So what you'll have is the opportunity to read all that, and then you'll be asked to do the post. And the posts are going to be every week. They're due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday of every week going forward. And the requirement is that you respond to the prompt. So we can take a peek at the prompt right now, and you can just go down and check it out. And then the other piece is that you will also reply to 2 of your classmates, okay? And then these are 3 little flicks that kind of go over the 3 main theories, so they're worth peeking at too, so that you have another lens in how this all works. So that's basically it for this. And then the other thing I have for you guys is open feedback forums. So at any point during any week, you can always get on the open feedback and provide me with questions or with, things that you'd like to see happen. I know that a lot of you would like it if I had things open all semester long, like in terms of so that you can get an advanced look at stuff, but that's not how it works because the idea is that we're all working together at the same pace. What you can do is look at the syllabus. The syllabus has all the reading and all the assignments due based on their due dates, and so you can always see what's coming next. You can always read ahead. You can always be prepared, but the modules themselves open the Sunday before the following week. So that's that. I hope you have a lovely rest of the weekend, and I look forward to interacting with you guys on the discussion forum. Thanks. Take good care.